Going to Here I am going to explain about select subject. It's work almost the quick selection tool. So now it is selected. What I'm going to do is I'm cutting this. I'm selecting. Sorry, I'm not moving anywhere. I'm just Control X. I cut. I'm bringing to another place. Okay. So now what I'm going to do means this is a transform. You can select it, click on that. I'm click control, then you corner, then you can any way you can change the image. So the different way I change my leaf. Then what I'm going to do the next. Same here also. I can do control, I can move. See another one and one more layer, one more text I am adding. So select, I'm putting a text, fruits I am adding. Little bigger letter. In this corner I am holding it. Again I am layer. I am going to, instead of text layer, I am converting to pixel layer. So again I am using control. So now you can align the things better. So what I done, I taken control X, subject selection I taken, I bring it here. I just select this. If you after the transition selection, you can use control. You can move anywhere, and you can say a better output. You can create it like that way. You can create a lot of brochure. This will work good for brochure and different camera angle also you can make on this. And here also you want to change the color. Lock this layer, then select a different color, then delete. Alt delete. So that color is applied on that. Because now it is not font, it is an image. What I done, I selected this layer, preserve the transparency means if I am not this done, I control delete or alt delete, it will come to all these places. So if I'll preserve here, then I am control delete, sorry, select and preserve the transparency. Transparency preserving means all these area, this is only there. This all these areas will be preserved. Only the color is applied here. Control delete will be black, alt delete will be green. Now it is switch on everything, all the layers, so it's worked fine. So this is a way you can create multiple outputs. Thank you for watching. Please do one of these layouts using my I will provide all these images in resources. You can work around on that.